IOCL Recruitment 2022 Fresher, Trade, Technician, Graduate, Apprentice 1760 post. Last date of application 3rd January 2023. Position Trade, Technician, Graduate, Apprentice. Job location across India. Stipend as per government norms 1760 post. Trade apprentice ITI in fitter, electrical, electronics, machinist, instrument machinist. Technician apprentice diploma in mechanical, electrical, instrument, civil, triple electronics engineering. Graduate apprentice bachelor degree in arts, science, commerce. Trade apprentice data entry operator 10+2 intermediated with minimum 50%